You're not going to believe what happened in my living room yesterday. So I was just sitting there, minding my own business, when my sofa suddenly sneezed. Yes, sneezed. A full coup! I jumped up, and the sofa said, "Sorry, bro. I'm allergic to dust and your life choices." Before I could respond, my TV switched on by itself and started giving me relationship advice. Then my fridge rolled into the room like, "Anyone want snacks?" At that point, I wasn't even scared. I just asked the sofa if it needed tissues.